All right, Williams, Philippines. It is about 4:20 in the a.m. on Friday, December 27th, 2024. Hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a lot of time with friends and family. Lots of food. Lots of food. I've been trying to get my stuff set up, and well, the network router is, mine only has two connections for, hardwire. I need more. So I'm probably going to have to use this other network or router. Yeah. Problem is, I just found out that the net or TP Link, that has a whole bunch of issues because of the manufacturer, China. And China is apparently leaving back doors intentionally, or just not updating and doesn't care intentionally, and is still building them with weak stuff so that they can be got into. That's a question. Are they doing it intentionally? Probably. It's China. And, well, breaking in and hacking a bunch of things and having massive network connections, because everything that goes through the networks nowadays, I mean, hey, your refrigerator talks to the internet. It wouldn't surprise me soon that if, you go to use your bum gun and squirt to, wash your butt, oh yeah, it reports back the health of your turd. Yeah, I know that's probably, yeah. Anyway, I don't know, but so far as I know, bum guns are not infected with, the Internet of Things, or the things of Internet. But I mean, everything seems to be connected to the Internet. And, well, that's what I've been trying to get figured out on my computer. And when I was mentioning that the hub had issues, it's connecting to the Internet. The radio signal coming off of the Mac Mini is having to fight a bunch of stuff in the way. And that is, and it's even worse when it's powered on. So when the hub's actually there, you get horrible signal. You almost have to be sitting on top of it to get it if it's in there and on. But if you raise your Mac Mini up above the hub, you get a signal again. Although it's still weaker than if you completely unplug the hub and go with, no hub underneath it from this Satoshi or whatever it is, Satoki. Yeah. Anyway, they apparently they know it. They're having other issues, I guess, with that. And it makes me wonder, is it kind of the same thing? Dealing with the TP-Link routers, Is there intent to it? I don't know. I'm thinking about getting a different hub, but the other one that comes from over there that is designed just for the Mac Mini, M4 Mac Mini, is, also from the pretty much, it's a different company over there, but it's got better reviews, and it is faster, And from what I've been able to tell, nobody has had any issues with it on its signal. So, yeah. I guess I gotta get a new hub sent over and wait for it to get here. But that's okay. Life goes on. But yeah, the I used a little nano VNA, waving it around with an antenna dangling to, you know, find the area that this was in and do a little analyzing on it. And apparently, like I say, it's more of a location for the antenna in the Mac Mini for the Bluetooth or the wireless Wi-Fi. Uh, yeah, apparently it's got some stuff in the way that's interfering and blocking it. So I think they rushed this thing to market too fast. And if the if things are just a hair different in one from the other on your antenna placement, it makes a difference because not everybody's having this problem apparently, but there's a good number that are, and literally a millimeter or two on placement of that antenna wire inside the Mac Mini can make a difference. I don't know. Maybe the person putting it on one run was left-handed, and so it ended up just a little higher than the others, or so it's blocked. I don't know. Trying to figure those kind of things out isn't my job. Right now, my job's trying to figure out how to get this thing to work and decide whether I want to use the TP-Link and try to hopefully be able to fix it. But if they're not really patching problems on it, yeah. And they're saying that that's causing breaches. I don't know about you, but do you want to have an internet connection that's spying on you when you're doing your banking? Yeah. Makes you kind of wonder a little bit. I don't know. So yeah, I'm trying to figure things out and finally got CapCut downloaded. Woohoo! Now the question is, where did it go? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of got to figure outs on this, and I'm not real good at this yet. I'm feeling like a child lost when it comes down to this Mac. There's a tutorial thing that I'm going to dive off into to try to learn. And yeah, but with the hub being out of the game, I think I'm going to use my little external SSK 1 terabyte drive as my, I guess, uh, place to load everything. I was going to take and use it between them and be able to transfer stuff. I don't know yet. And do I want to jump in and do that now and then have to redo everything again if I get a new hub that I can put this in that has the capacity for, the MV2 or M2B, whatever it is, MMB, yeah, those things, the hard drive stick. Yeah. Anyway, I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. I am trying to get around to getting this little unboxing of my insanities up here and uploaded and figure out what to do and how to do it. It's actually fun kind of getting to play with this. New territory. Yeah. I don't know about y'all, but learning's important. The more things you can, learn, the better off you are. Knowledge is power. Well, the more you know, the more you have the ability to handle. Kids nowadays are getting a lot of one side of it, the technology side, but they don't have a clue about how to do anything physical. I mean, seriously. Caught a video somewhere of a kid using a Wi-Fi connection to figure out how to change a tire. Yeah. It's a good thing he had a Wi-Fi connection. I'm not too sure he, was that good at getting it taken care of. Understands some of the other things that are a problem with getting a tire on. Hopefully he got it on tight enough to make it down the road to a tire shop where they can do something and fix it for him. Me, if I have to, I'll break out the lug wrench, jack the car up, and pull the tire out of the back end, and oh yeah, that's right, I have a real tire. And I know how to do that kind of stuff. Nowadays, a lot of kids don't. They look down on, well, I've got a PhD in stupidity. I'm an educated idiot. But they can't go out and cook their own meal. Don't know how. Mama didn't teach them. They didn't bother trying to learn anyway. The best they can do is cook, if you're in the microwave, some ramen noodles. Yeah, don't get me wrong. I use the microwave too. And I can cook without the microwave. I can cook in a lot of different ways. I've actually used, fire. Kind of like over in the Philippines, to cook dinner. Several hundred times in my life. I like camping. Camping quite often has campfires. It's one of those things. I don't know. All right. Anyway, I got to go and get cleaned up. My doctor is going to see me today at 9. Oh, yay. Hopefully, I'll only see him one more time between now and me leaving. Yeah. But I got to get my insurance stuff figured out. Oh, yay. I did manage to get over and get some more of the stuff transferred around and change addresses and such on sensitive websites. Yeah. There might be a reason to have a hard wire. And yeah, I don't know. Is going through a router that's questionable worth doing? I've got the little GI Net or whatever it is. It's a different brand, good company. Apparently they've got, they're on ball with things. I just bought one that was a little smaller than my needs were. Yeah. It's amazing how things evolve. I guess I could go back in and order another one that's a bigger one with more connections from them and not use this one. That TP-Link thing is kind of worrisome. Trying to decide. Anyway, I hope y'all have had a blessed weekend or, Christmas. And remember why we celebrate it. And, a lot of people that you got to celebrate it with and talk to, your friends and family, and lots of good food. Oy. And I hope you got to do something you enjoyed. I know I did. Seems like, yeah, I'm actually feeling rested, which is kind of a good thing. It's been a while to actually get enough sleep that I actually feel rested, to not be stressed out. Life's good. Y'all got to remember to see the positive side of things. And then remember, it's a present. Today, the present. The right now, right here, right in front of you. The present. Enjoy it. Live it. Too many people don't. And at this time of year, a lot of folks just give up. I feel bad for them, but permanent solution to a temporary situation. Sadly, a lot of people do things like that. Don't they understand? None of us get out of this alive. The question is, do you get to live? And how long did you get to live? And did you enjoy your living? It's one of the things that I'm liking about, the folks over in the Philippines is they sure seem to enjoy living, even if it is in a messed up situation. They laugh and enjoy living. I can get along with something like that. People like that. Stay positive, folks. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Lots of good food, lots of good friends and family, and lots of rest and peace. I don't think a lot of folks remember, but, Christ, one of the things people call him is peace. Just saying. Anyway, y'all have a good day. 242 subscribers. Thank you for coming along. Not too far from 250. They have me down as hitting that sometime in August on some webpage I check stats on. I think I'm going to beat that. But anyway, please hit the like, comment, and subscribe. If you comment, I'll try to make sure I get over and respond to it. There's only, 242 of you at this point, so I'm still able to do that. And it doesn't even take up that much time. So if you want to comment, please do. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Later, blessing, bye-bye. I'm Fish. Fish out.